We found it. It's called Henry Run Sawmill Dam. That would make sense why we've seen that other wall dam, rock wall dam built back there. Damn it. Yeah, cigar. Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was only going to be like 6-7 feet, not 20. This is slippery though, don't walk across this. If you want to go over there, it's easy right down there. Can see it from below now. Oh yeah, this ain't gonna make it much longer either. Wonder what goes in back there. This is awesome. Let's see what the river looks like. Are you guys want to check us out more? Or? But yeah, look, there's wood holding that up down bottom. And you see the header is all half fallen. That header cracked in half. That was one solid piece there. Yeah. See, it cracked in half, that header. Wonder what the hole here is for. Oh, you know what? That was a wheel. That was a that was where the wheel.
Yeah, it just hit Sawmill Dam.
Yeah, it was a Sawmill Dam. That was the wheel for their saws. Oh, I thought there were some pretty orange flowers or something over here, but it's like stakes. That's cool. You know, when he built it, that tree wasn't there, or it was real small. Yeah. Nice area just in general. Look across the creek, how looks like a nice little camping spot. Or I mean the river. Yeah, it's the Clarion River. I know. I meant. I don't know why I said. There's a pretty far. I don't know why I said creek.
How pretty it is.
Oh, it's up there. As you said, where the hell did the North Country Trail? It just disappeared, but it's back up there.